Hey, how you doing? My name is Michael Petty. What I want to talk about in this video is how to use Exitus Elite and make money fast even if you're brand new. Just want to take you through a quick video, get straight to the point, and give you a little bit of training at the end of this video. So with Exitus Elite, this is one of the capture pages that Exitus Elite gives you. They give you quite a few capture pages to choose from, right? So you get traffic and run it through your capture page, or you do organic traffic and we give you team bonuses in my one-on-one bonus training, 3 generational bonus training that's going to show you, that's team training that's going to show you how to drive traffic organically. And Exitus Elite also have lead sources, traffic sources that you can go grab traffic, run it to your lead capture page. And Exitus Elite has a built-in autoresponder ready to follow up with your prospects on your behalf. Now, I highly suggest after the lead capture page that you create a bridge page. What a bridge page is, you set it up through the back office of Exitus Elite, and it's a chance for people to get to know who you are. You come online, you talk about yourself, why you got started in business, why you suggest Exitus Elite, and after the bridge page, it takes them over to the presentation video, a 4-minute video giving informative information about Exitus Elite so they can make a good decision if they want to do this business or not. Exitus Elite also has a call center that will help close your sales for you. So the simplicity, you get traffic, run it to your lead capture page. The autoresponder kicks in and start following up with your prospects for you. They must confirm their email address. The video does a presentation, and Exitus Elite will close your sales. So even if you're brand new in online marketing, you can still make money. Now, one thing about it is, people do join people they know, like, and trust. And that's the importance of the bridge page. In our training, in our team training that you're going to get when you partner with us, we actually show you different ways you can market your business to attract people to you, because it's about building connections. And the whole thing about the people join people, and it's not about joining a person because they believe they can make money. How can a person connect with you? How can it relate to you? Why should they join you over somebody else? One of the ways that we teach is simple video. Talk about yourself. Say where you're from. Say what you do for a living. What are your reasons for joining the business? Just be real. Be yourself. Don't overcomplicate it. Keep it simple.